10 fun listening activities for your ESL classroom. Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into some super fun and effective listening activities that you can use in your ESL classroom. Honestly, listening is such a crucial part of language learning, but it can be kind of a struggle to make it engaging for students, you know? But don't worry, I got you. I'm about to share 10 activities that will totally transform your lessons into, the highlight of their day. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so you've definitely heard of dictation, right? It's classic, but let's spice it up. Instead of just reading a boring old paragraph, throw in some curveballs, like words they've probably never heard before. The look on their faces when they try to spell ephemeral will be priceless. Plus, it'll get them thinking critically about sounds and meanings. Alright, next up is picture dictation. It's like the ultimate test of listening and imagination. Basically, you describe a picture, and I mean really describe it, like every little detail, and your students have to draw what they hear. Then, the big reveal. Hold up the original picture and see if their masterpieces match up. It's hilarious to see the interpretations. Okay, story time. But not just any story time. Read a short story, but make sure it has a clear beginning, middle, and end. Then, give your students a bunch of cards with different scenes from the story all jumbled up. Their mission? To put those cards in the right order. It's like a puzzle, but with listening. Chapter 4. Music lyrics. Gap fill. Let's be real, everyone loves a good jam session. So why not bring some music into the classroom? This activity is all about filling in the blanks. Play a catchy song, bonus points if it's one they actually like, but with some of the lyrics missing. They'll be so busy singing along that they won't even realise they're learning. Chapter 5. Podcasts with comprehension questions. Podcasts are my go-to for everything these days. Find a short podcast that's actually interesting to your students. Maybe something about pop culture, sports, or whatever they're into. After they listen, hit them with some comprehension questions. It's a sneaky way to make sure they're actually paying attention. Chapter 6. Guess the sound. This one's just pure fun. Gather up a bunch of random sounds. Animal noises, traffic sounds, you name it. Play them for your students and have them guess what they are. It's like a sonic scavenger hunt. Plus, it'll really sharpen their listening skills. Chapter 7. Interview Roleplay. Time for some improv. Pair up your students and have them roleplay an interview scenario. They can be anything they want. A celebrity chef, a famous athlete. The possibilities are endless. This activity not only boosts listening skills, but also builds confidence in speaking. Chapter 8. Telephone game. Remember the telephone game from when you were a kid? It's a classic for a reason. Whisper a sentence to one student and have them whisper it to the next, and so on. By the time it gets to the end, the sentence will probably be totally different. It's a hilarious way to show how important it is to listen carefully. Chapter 9. Movie clips and discussion. Movie time. But with an educational twist, of course. Play a short clip from a movie or TV show. Something engaging and relevant to their interests. Afterward, get the discussion going. Ask them about the characters, the plot, everything. It's a fun way to improve their listening comprehension. Chapter 10. Following directions. This last activity is all about following directions. Give your students a series of instructions to complete a task. It could be anything from drawing a picture to building a tower with blocks. The catch? They have to listen super carefully to get it right. And there you have it, 10 awesome listening activities to make your ESL classroom more engaging and effective. I swear your students will actually be excited about listening practice. It's like a total game changer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. See you next time.